In this video, we will understand predefined variables. We'll see like why they are really required, and we go through some of the most frequently used ones. So we'll try to understand why predefined variables first. So in here, when we create any pipeline, right? When we create any pipeline, we pass on our repositories like this, and we select this agent, right? So when we run the pipeline, it will be executed with by this agent in this machine, right? Now let's say if we want to understand where this the source code which we are passing to the pipeline, if we want to understand like where this code is being placed in that machine, and uh, and so once the code is built, let's say if we want to access the binaries, if then how do we know the location of the binaries? And once the complete build is done, then some of the artifacts like zip files, some the files which are important to us are placed in one specific location. So how do we know all those locations, right? So that is where the predefined variables comes into the picture. So in Azure DevOps, using these predefined variables, these locations are like tagged to these variables. Okay, so if we use specific variable, that means it will give access to, it will give uh, you know um, not access, but it will give the path of that particular location. Okay, for example, in here if you see build.source directory, so this variable gives the local path of the agent where the source code files are downloaded. Okay, if this is the agent working directory, and then this is the path where our source code will be downloaded. Okay, and artifact staging directory, this is where the artifacts are placed before pushing to the destination. Okay, the local path on the agent where any artifacts are copied before being pushed to the destination. Okay, in this working directory and in here. And build number, we will get the unique number which is generated when we run the pipeline. And this is the definition name of the pipeline. So the pipeline which we create, it will give access to its that name. And system.access token, so these tokens, we can use this token to make some REST API calls within our Azure DevOps. So in here, if in this task, if you see, we are trying to get some our pipeline information, and to access this REST API, we are going to pass, to authorize from this task, we are passing this token, right? So like this, these are very important. Like while when we start writing pipelines, these are the most frequently used ones. So and we have so many of them. I'll provide the link of this document in the description of this video. So I'll keep up to here. Thank you for your time. See you in next video.